Hi, are you an individual, family, budget traveler, or two people and would like to have a vacation and explore nature and wildlife? I encourage you to give it a try to discover the hidden gems of Uganda and Western national parks in particular, such as Chivale, Bwindi, Queen Elizabeth, and any other tourist attractions in Uganda. Nature, wildlife tours, and safaris offices found in Fort Portal, Chico Town, Kamwenge Road would like to help you to have an experience of a lifetime with all its activities that are aimed at your satisfaction. Activities such as nature and wildlife trips and safaris around Uganda, primate safaris, bird watching, research, trekking reservations, cultural and community walks around Rwenzori area, Crater Lakes exploration, and many more other activities are shown on the website on www.naturewildlifetours.com. Come to Rwenzori area, come to Nature Wildlife Tours and Safaris and explore Uganda. Thank you so much for watching the video and reaching this far, especially watching the advert. So I want to do a small video here, and this is to my friends who don't know how to swim and those that I've taught how to swim, and some of you who have a fear for water. And this is my experience with a few years that I've been swimming, and I've tried to teach my friends and how to swim, how myself I was taught when I was a young man. This is how I learned how to swim. First, check the water by stepping your feet into it and start moving in front, facing the shore, and make sure you don't go deep. Don't let the water be beyond your waistline. This will help you to put in your mind that the waters are shallow, as it's only half of your body that's in water and half is up, raised up. So try swimming facing the shore or the shallow end and feed in your mind that this is shallow. It will be okay. In case you fail, remember to put your legs back to the bottom. You won't drown because you're facing the shallow end, and it's still shallow waters, remember? This is how we learn how to swim. Myself, we did that for 2 weeks, around 2 weeks, and we were able to learn. Some people will learn after a year, months, weeks, others just after a few days, because research says swimming takes like 20 to 25 hours of practice, and this will depend on your practice and how your body is shaped. If you train a lot every day, it will be faster, but if you just take a few minutes every day, it'll probably take you months to master the swimming. Like I said, also big people float easily than small bodies, so keep going. Keep trying to practice how to swim, going to the deep side and begin from there, the deep side, coming to the shallow end. And remember, you can do this alone or let someone who you know stand behind you, just for some mental confidence. When we know somebody's behind us, it gives us some confidence and helps a lot to convince your mind that it's okay and you are safe because somebody is behind you. If you start on that process, whether you have a coach or you're trying this alone with your friends, just keep going. Repeat this until you start floating on water freely. If it works, move to the deep end slightly. Let the water just move slightly above your waistline, and start from there and come to the shallow end every day. When it works, you will see everything moving smoothly, and when it happens, let me know when it works, because that's how I learned. And my teacher was very, very happy that day when I learned how to swim, and my mom too was very happy when I came home and told her that I've learned, because in the first place she had refused me. I talked about this story further in the exposure therapy video that is on my channel, my uncle was killed by water, and all siblings, all family members were halted from going to the river So be careful because water kills, and don't dare going deeper before you learn more and more. And to be safe, you need to have a coach or someone, like I said, someone with you when you're learning to just help you, to give you some confidence in your mind, and to be safe. So I hope you try out those techniques that I gave you. When you get into the water, go and reach the middle where the water is in your waistline, then swim coming to the shore. Just try to move like that. And when it fails, put your legs on the ground because it's a shallow end. And also practice from the shallow end, from side to side, side to side every day. If you take like many hours on weekend, just half day practicing how to swim. Take water, get out.